I'm Akhila Harinarayan and I'm a principal analyst at ISG Provider Lens. I lead the next-gen ADM service and solution study. Zoho has secured a leadership position in ISG Provider Lens next-gen ADM 2024 solution study for low-code and no-code development platform quadrants. This recognition underscores Zoho Creator's exceptionally user-friendly platform, its drag-and-drop interface, and intuitive design that allow even users with no coding experience to build functional business applications. Pre-built templates, automations, and integration significantly reduce development time compared to traditional coding approaches. With built-in AI capabilities, Zoho Creator optimizes application development. With Zoho Intelligent Assistant ZIA, users can leverage conversational AI to generate full-fledged apps with complex multi-layered dashboard for analytics. Additionally, Zoho has abstracted capabilities such as optical character recognition, keyword extraction, prediction, sentiment analysis, and object detection into pre-built models, allowing non-technical users to incorporate these features seamlessly into their apps. Applications built on Creator are automatically responsive and accessible on any device, either mobile phones or tablets. Its ability to integrate with Zoho extensive suite of business applications allows enterprise users to build applications that leverage data and functionalities from other Zoho products while optimizing workflows. Zoho Creator offers various pricing plans suitable for businesses of all sizes, operating on a freemium model that provides essential features for non-paying users. All of this makes Zoho Creator an ideal solution for businesses seeking innovation and operational improvements.